Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a client portal in ClickUp. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because we will start with creating our own space. But after that, you will see how easy it is to create your own client portal. So right now, the first step that we are going to do is we go right here to spaces and we call this space right here client, not client, but client portal, right, like this. We can give this a description, it's not necessary, but right now we click here on continue and then we select right here the starter, that is fine. And then you will find right here our client portal and now we can start. So this is amazing, we created now our space and we click here on the plus icon and then we go to templates and then we search right here for clients and then we do enter. And then you will find right here some options. So client success, client reviews, client success collaboration. So decide for yourself if you want to see more successes or more reviews. You can do what you want. But let's say you want to do successes right here. Then we click here on client success, use template. We call this right here client, why am I every time doing client? Very strange. But let's call this one client success, like this. Then you can give also this a folder. Now you can also import options or maybe start a new date right here. Include archive tasks, it's not necessary right now. So we do use template and now he's creating from here the template. So we wait for this a few seconds and then the template will be here. So there we are, guys, and now we have here the group task, we have some subtasks, but this is exactly what we are seeing. So right now you can do what you want. So you can decide right here for client, let's say client 1, something like this, or maybe another name, and then you can change it right here. And then you can do a lot of options right here for the clients. So you can decide right here onboarding what you want to do. Now, if you select right here, you have also gold, silver and bronze. So you have a little ranking in that. Now you have right here the nurturing, up for renewal, churned and renewed. So with this, you can do a lot of stuff for your clients in a nice view. So this is how you can create a client portal right here in ClickUp. If you have any questions about the client portal, please comment it down below. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.